How to bind Binance account to Binance Football. Let's start. Go to Binance app. Tap your profile on the left side. Make sure your Binance account is fully verified. Switch your Binance Lite into Binance Pro. And then click Deposit. Just choose USDT and scroll down, choose TRON TRC20. Then save image. At ito naman pong nasa wallet address, just copy and then exit to the app. Pwede na po tayong pumunta sa BF Football apps. Pag nandito na tayo, tap the My. Scroll down, click Card Management, and click Add Bank Card. Dito po sa ating receiving address, i-paste po natin yung kinapi natin from Binance account. After paste, dito sa chain name, just choose TRC20. And then, upload the image we saved from the Binance app. Yung QR code niya, just make sure yung 4 digits from the last digits ay same doon sa image natin na ina-upload dito sa receipt code. Pag na-double check na natin, dito sa may baba, just click OK. And then, pag nag-appear na siya, it means it's success. Happy earning, everyone!
Get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little bit crazy. Let's get a little
Hello everybody, thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, kung gusto nyo po laging updated sa aking mga videos, tutorial, and live streaming, don't forget to click the bell below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. To Queensland. Love you all. Thank you.